everybody, welcome to my video. If you're not familiar with me, my name is Mandy Bryce. I am a makeup artist and I do some modeling here in Los Angeles, California, although I haven't really done any modeling yet in LA. Anyway, I do have a blog where I share reviews as well as my makeup work, some modeling, and a lot of motivation and personal development stuff. So if you haven't checked that out, please do. This video is a review video that I'm doing on my Facebook Live for my makeup page because it is about a hair product. It is called L'Oreal Elvive, and there will be better pictures on the blog itself, but it is a hair mask by L'Oreal. It was sent to me for free by Influencer, which is a company that sends products to people in exchange for their honest reviews. So the honest review is exactly what you're going to get now. I am a sucker for thick hair masks, and this is the second thick tub of conditioner that Influencer has sent me, and I am super happy because it's been a really long time since I've had to buy really any hair products, and I really appreciate that. But I love that while it's a balm, it says it's called Total Repair 5 Damage Erasing Balm, and my hair has been through a lot. I actually cut a lot of it off in November, so this is growing back, and it's been highlighted, and you can see it is really healthy and shiny, even for being highlighted. There's not a lot of damage being shown. So what I do is I shampoo my hair, and I actually use this time a different L'Oreal shampoo that Influencer sent me in the past, and I'll put the link to that review in the comments, as well as a link to Influencer in case you're listening to me and thinking, I want to get free stuff for my opinion. I have opinions. But I did receive this for free, and I use that, and I use the L'Oreal Volume shampoo first, and then I put this on after I rinsed my shampoo out, and then, shaved, washed my body, washed everything else, and then rinsed it out. So it says to leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, I believe. So that is what I did. Yeah, 1 to 3 minutes. So I probably left it on longer than it needed to be, but the good news about it is that it is still lightweight. So my hair is not flat and like weighted down by the conditioner, which happens a lot when you use a really thick conditioner. So I was relieved by that. One thing I love about it is that it does contain almonds. So if you look at the ingredients, that's something that you actually see is a couple parts where it has protein from almonds. And I like things to be as natural as possible, so I felt very relieved by that. And I was also relieved by the fact that you do not see anything that is a sulfate, which is really damaging to your hair. I think that's something that a lot of salon products have been leaving out for years, and it's finally making its way to the more affordable drugstore products. So it's exciting that it doesn't have anything in it, which you'd think that a conditioning mask wouldn't have something that would damage your hair, but you'd be surprised sometimes. Anyway, it does smell very good, which is important, especially if your hair ever gets in your face. You don't want it to smell bad. But yeah, I enjoy it. I definitely recommend it, and if I have to buy hair products anytime soon, especially if I need a damage control conditioner, I would definitely consider this and buy this as well. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the review. Like I said, I will post links in the comments to the other shampoo that they sent me, as well as a link to join Influencer, and then once this has been made into a blog, I will send a link to that as well. Thanks for watching. Bye!